Take a ride in the 2025 Express Cargo. The Chevy Express Cargo van is ready to handle all of your work tools, carpooling to work, or running the kids to soccer. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, traction control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.